pretty simple. First of all, you got to open up your thing here. All right, if you look here, you're going to see, I'm going to turn it off for a second. If you look here, you're going to see this dial. So what you want to do is you want to get the time precisely at what hour it is. So it's just about noon right now. And these little things, you can twist them and then they slide around. So depending on what time of year it is, you might want to only run the filter for, 4 or 5 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down about 11 o'clock. Over here, my off time, you can see it says off. I got it set at about 4:30. So, and the way you do it, like if the time's off, you pull this out and now you can turn it and get it to the right time. So I'm going to just set it right here because that's about what time it is right now. And that's it. And then you just hit your on button. And because we're already in this space here, the filter goes on. And that's it. This is how you turn the filter off. Bam, bam. We'll leave that like that for now. And that's the way you set the timing on your filter. Or at least this type of filter, which is a Model T 4000 4RT, whatever that is. All right, so anyway, and read that there. Brake handle near mid position indicates brake rest tripped. So no, we're cool, everything's good. Cool light circuit protector, we got that going. Everything looks good in here. And that's our filter. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and I'll tell you about other junk that I really don't know very much about. Peace out.